If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025, then now it's really the best time to do so. YouTube is actually pushing out small creator content for 30 days, meaning that your videos will get the chance to be seen. So in this talk, I will break down exactly how to start a YouTube channel in 2025, what works in this year, and how you can grow super fast. So the first tip for you, as I already mentioned, is that as YouTube is pushing your content for 30 days, is that to really use this time and be as consistent as possible, because this is really your golden period where you can take leap of faith and really monetize your channel, right? So the thing what you should focus also is the title and the thumbnails, because if you have bad title and bad thumbnail, then nobody clicks on your video and your video is just not going to be seen, right? The next step or tip is don't really worry about fancy editing, and think about more how to create more raw and authentic videos, because this is currently the trend. People are tired of these high quality videos and they want something easy, entertaining, and relatable, right? So don't really overthink about the editing part and focus more on the message and the value you want to provide instead. Also think that you just cut in the beginning and cut in the end a little bit, and then you just don't even edit, you just like minimal editing. And yes, people really seem to like it, especially in this year. The third tip for you is be yourself. As I told you, people are tired of this perfectionism and they want someone to connect with. I think people are really feeling alone because we are living so separately, and people want to feel that they have this friend. This is something people are really missing, and that's why it's getting more and more trendy as well. So don't really be afraid to show mistakes, or I think it's very good if you just imagine your best friend in your head, or you're thinking about a specific person and then you're just talking to this specific person, and then you just upload the video and that's it. You don't really have to think about much who is really watching it. So what I mean by that is that the more you are relatable, the more people will connect with you as well. The fourth very important tip for you is many YouTubers want to start with vlogs because it's also something very trendy, but I don't really recommend you to start with vlogs, because especially if you want to grow fast, because if you're just vlogging, people don't really relate to you if you're showing your life here and there, because they don't know you, and in general it takes 7 times people to see you before they start liking you or having any kind of opinion about yourself. So then the growth will be in general way slower. So I would really advise you to start with something what you can teach to other people. Maybe you have some skill or you have some sort of advice, or make some tutorials that this content you are creating is more searchable, and if people are curious about this topic, then they just search and they find you. And maybe later, if you have already find your audience, then you can expand from there and start making vlogs or any other kind of entertainment. So if you're really serious about starting your YouTube channel, I have got something for you. My YouTube Domination guide will teach you all about behind the scenes you have to do when you're uploading your video. I am teaching you how to script the video, how to find the best tags, the best keywords, how to create thumbnails, how to optimize your channel in general. So if it's something you're interested in, You can check the link below. And you can let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next time.